Welcome to Football in Pidgin. Man City won and Real Madrid won. We get our Oga for here. Oga Dafemeko tell us how he see the match for today.
Me normally I expect say Real Madrid go win, sha. Not be because na them good pass, but because that experience and that mentality they did the team. You understand? So I expect say Real Madrid go win. But when Man City they play with people when they really want the trophy. You understand? Normal Man City, say normally they go give up saying Madrid. But as Madrid score, they see they fight back. They say they must equalize. So I think shocked me, but I still believe say Madrid will qualify.
So who will be your player of the match for this game?
I'm gonna Vinicius, that boy. You know if you dey mark am.
Okay.
You know if you dey mark am. I never seen that kind of player before. Vinicius.
All right, now so Mo check. Man City go play home, host Real Madrid. What will be your prediction for that game?
Real Madrid 1, Man City 0.
Really?
Real Madrid go win.
All right, now so Mo talk about Haaland. How you see him? Because some people now they talk about say that guy fit go break Ronaldo record though, 17 goals against 11. How you see that game? How you see the goals?
You see, one thing about people like Haaland and Ronaldo, I don't even want to hear when they compare Haaland to Ronaldo.
Yes.
Me, I be die Haaland and Messi. I be Messi fan,
Yes.
but you see the kind of player where Ronaldo don't be. Ronaldo fit do anything at any time. Haaland never get that.
Bite.
You never get that bite. Ronaldo fit score go from 40 yards. That's the kind of player Ronaldo be. Haaland only if the ball come beat am for box. If you not give Ronaldo ball, Ronaldo fit score from anywhere. But Haaland, the ball gas go meet am first. Not be that kind of player you expect to beat Ronaldo record for this kind of competition. Unless they want to play small team, they go. This is a competition whereby you go play things like Bayern, you go play Real Madrid, you go play Barcelona, Inter, you go play better teams. All this kind of, so not be say defenders they see like today game that they silence am. So like Ronaldo, not be silence Ronaldo like that. Never silence people like Messi like that. So you never get that bite. You go do well, now very good player, but Ronaldo record is untouchable.
All right, now so who be your favorite right now to win this Champions League? We get 4 good teams where they dominate for their league. So who be your favorite to win this Champions League?
Na Real Madrid now.
Why?
Because na Real Madrid. 14-time champions.
Because of history.
History. You see the way they win Champions League sometimes. They are not every time they be the best team. Most of the champions where they don't win, they not be the best team. Like 2017 when they beat Juventus that time, they were not the best team. Barca they turned them upside down but you see say Juventus come up Barca, but Madrid still beat Juventus for final. Even 28, not be say they don't need to be the best. Even last season, I mean, luck this come out Chelsea, come out Amel Bokri, come on Man City now luck. So we're gonna that luck does their side. That luck does always do their side, and they sabi execute their chances. They feel like they play. They don't want opportunity. Rodrigo will score. I said they not get who they score. You never see Madrid they play, but one person hold ball. Say the way Grealish hold ball. No, nah. As Benzema the hold ball, they give out to Vinicius. Vinicius they give Rodrigo. They give out for Valverde. They pass the ball around, so they don't unpredictable. For La Liga, they feel they fool themselves. But for this competition, they're like competition.
All right, now so we'll just deviate a little bit now. So who you feel now say suppose win the Ballon d'Or for this year?
I'm a Messi fan, but I'm not gonna lie now. Haaland.
Haaland.
Yes, because the award is supposed there for the world best player.
Yes.
You understand? And Haaland, the kind of figures when Haaland don't produce this season. But it's a guy, I don't say Messi win World Cup. Yes, na big trophy. But they don't give him FIFA the best. May he go down one. The Ballon d'Or, they give him to Haaland. Or may they give an person. If he give Vinicius, but they not give Messi, I beg. He don't win himself. He go rest.
All right, thank you for your time.